Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just finished doing a remodel of a bathroom, and I wanted to highlight the shower door that I chose. As you can see, I did the plumbing, I added some drywall, and I started to add tile. And by the time I was ready to look for a shower door, I looked online, and what I liked was what I saw online was one by ANZZI. It's a store online, and I took some measurements and I needed a 76-inch by 60-inch shower door, and I found this one, and I went with it. And this shower door has a sliding door system. As you can see, it has the easy glide rollers. It has the seal strips to kind of seal it in and make the ultimately the shower door waterproof, so water doesn't escape into your floor. And what I liked about it came in matte black. I wanted to have that matte black look. If you're in the market for a shower door, I definitely recommend this one. It felt sturdy, and I really like it. Thanks a lot. Bye.